Hello, I'm Cy. Today I'm going to be reviewing this Schwinn Air Center Plus floor pump. I got it because I've been using this pump to pump up all of our bikes, which is a lot, and I'll show you in a second. And this is great if you're just out on the road somewhere, but it's a lot of pumps and a lot of work if you're trying to use it all the time for a lot of bikes and it's all you have. Let's get this thing open. I got this one in particular because it's made by Schwinn and it's very highly rated. It is good for pumping up tubes that are both Schrader and Presta, and it has a pressure gauge on it, which I'm very excited about as well because I've been using a cheap tire pressure reading gauge and it doesn't even work with Presta valves. So I think this is going to make my life a lot better. It's got a nice, sturdy, and strong steel base for putting your feet on, which I like. And you can see it includes a ball pump adapter. It can pump up to 120 psi, which is probably going to be more than you'll ever need for anything. Let's look at the bikes we're working with, and then we're going to give this pump a try and see how good it works. Here's one of our bikes. Here's another bike, and I believe this one has a flat tire right now. And it's got some goo in the tires, so it should pump up and hold the pressure fine. We've also got these bikes over here, which we were using that little pump to pump when we needed to, and that is a lot of work. And then I've got this bike, and you can see it's got two flat tires, which also have goo in them, so they should hold the air up once I've pulled the thorns from them and pump it up. We're going to go ahead and do it now. The pump comes with these very clear instructions here. I just want to give you a closer up look of this to kind of show you the quality of it, but I'd say it looks very nice. You can see the pressure gauge there. You can see you've got the smaller hole for the Presta valves and the larger hole for the Schrader valves. It also has this little red indicator. That means it's not ready to pump. The position to pump in is when it's open like this, of course, and you put it on your valve like this and then pull like that. I'm going to start with the Schrader valve. We're going to see how easy it is, how little amount of pumps it takes. Go ahead and connect it, and here we go. All right, so you can see it's already getting some air. And I'm at 14 pumps, I think, and I'm already at over 20 psi. And we're at about 31 psi with a total of maybe 30 pumps, right? Close to 32 or so. Let's go ahead and so that worked awesome. I am very excited to try it on the Presta valve because this one is going to be able to read the PSI, and I haven't even been able to read the PSI up to this point because I don't have a pressure gauge that works for a Presta valve, so this is going to be nice. So I'll just go ahead and remove the valve cap, and then we're just going to slightly twist this valve stem top so that it's ready to pump. We're going to insert the Presta valve into the Presta valve hole, just like that, and open it up, and let's see how it does. Wow, this is working extremely nice comparing. I think I'm at less than 10 pumps and we're already over 30 psi. Just going to give it one more pump. That got it up to 35 psi. I'm going to go ahead and remove it, and we'll tighten up our valve. So you saw me use this pump on both the Schrader and the Presta valves. It worked actually pretty amazing. It was so much nicer than pumping with that little pump that I showed you. And I would say that I'm very pleased with it. I don't know how long it's going to last, but I'd say based upon the very high review rating that it already has, that this is an excellent pump that will probably have a good life as long as you take care of it. So I'm very impressed with this Schwinn Air Center Plus bike pump. I hope you liked my review of the Schwinn Air Center Plus bike pump. If you did like this review, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share this video. If you want to help support this channel, please use the links in the description to purchase or scan the QR code to purchase, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.